Hi guys, my name is Peter and welcome to our channel. Today is gonna be quite interesting video. It's gonna install it additional 1 megabyte of chip RAM. And the thing is, mostly Amigas come from factory with 2 megabyte of chip RAM and 4 megabyte of fast RAM. My Amiga did come with 1 megabyte of chip RAM and 4 megabyte of fast RAM. It runs a lot of games, but some games still require 2 megabyte. And that's why I got that upgrade. I pick it up 1 megabyte on eBay. It's 8 chips, pretty much 256K each for $14, and I believe like $2 for shipment. It's actually a pretty good deal. I doubt I will find it better than that. Anyway, to do that upgrade, of course, you will have to remove it top cover on Amiga 3000, and it has only 2 screws on each side and 1 screw in the back. And here is the location where we're gonna install it, new chips. I mean, it's kind of straightforward. Let me push the keyboard a little bit. We will not even disconnect the cables. I mean, we didn't have to. And let's see, make sure the camera will see it. Let me bring the camera closer. Okay guys, here you can see 1 megabyte is soldered into the board, and for 1 megabyte I do have empty sockets. Also on Amiga 3000 there's on the right side same sockets for fast RAM and chip RAM. And the fast RAM already has 4 megabyte installed, and I'm not going to use it that side for upgrading with chip RAM, because I can use it one or another memory. Pretty much by installing those chips on the right side, I will have to remove it fast RAM, and fast RAM I need that. Pretty much the new upgrade chips, it come in a plastic tubes like that, and just by removing foam. Let's see, let's pull it out all chips. In that case we can inspect them to make sure they are in a good condition. Supposed to be brand new, all stock, and actually it is. Looks pretty new. I mean, there's no dust, no oxidation. And to install them, it's straightforward. One thing, make sure you're not gonna rotate them and put it in the wrong way. Every chip has a little mark right here. I hope the camera can pick it up. And pretty much then you look at socket, and all sockets mark has that same mark pointed towards monitor. That's the way we're gonna install it all for all 8 chips. Okay guys, they're all in. Before we power it, we double check, make sure they all sits properly and facing in the right direction. Now we can power it, our Amiga, and see if it works. Okay guys, boom, right there. We got 2 megabytes. 4 megabytes of fast RAM, 2 megabytes of chip RAM. Let's see our performance. I doubt it will increase at any speed. It may actually. I know the fast RAM, it do increase speed kind of pretty good. No, that speed still same, 25 megahertz. Let's check memory. And it's fast RAM 4 megabyte, chip RAM 2 megabytes, right there. Okay, let's exit it and see if the game I got here, Jungle Strike, let's see if it's gonna work. Because before, when I tried to load it, the message will pops and said it needs 2 megabytes. Oh, actually it does work. I forgot to plug it controller. Yeah, it actually boots and it works the way it should be. Well guys, that's a simple upgrade. Plus it's not too expensive. And 2 megabyte of chip RAM, that's the way to go. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it.